Introducing the Static Solutions GT-4872 ground circuit tester, an essential tool for ensuring electrical safety and efficient troubleshooting in various environments. This compact and reliable tester combines advanced technology with user-friendly features to provide accurate and dependable results. With its ability to measure both continuity and resistance, the GT-4872 is suitable for a wide range of applications, including electrical maintenance, troubleshooting, and quality control. The clear and intuitive display provides accurate readings, allowing users to make informed decisions about the safety and integrity of electrical systems. Designed with portability in mind, the GT-4872 is lightweight and compact, making it convenient to carry and use in different locations. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance and reliability, making it a valuable investment for professionals in various industries. Don't compromise on electrical safety. Trust the Static Solutions GT-4872 ground/circuit tester for accurate and reliable results.